Hello everyone, I want to introduce to you Algenist Blue Algae Vitamin C Dark Spot Correcting Peel. I knew this product was going to work for me because when I saw the words vitamin C, I knew what that meant. I know that vitamin C is so good for discoloration, uneven skin, and dark spots, and those are the things that I want to heal on my skin. It's an at-home 20-minute peel, and you're gonna see results after the first time using it. The Blue Algae Vitamin C is new, natural, sustainable, vegan, safe, and exclusive. Alguronic Acid boosts the formula's benefits, plus triple acid complex, and you can have your own little spa. You're not going somewhere to have a peel, you're doing the peel right here at home. So when I saw that this product had vitamin C, I knew that this product would work for me. Now I want to show you how to use this dark spot correcting at-home peel. So I pump 4 to 6 pumps on my hand, and you're going to love the color of this product. How beautiful is that? After washing my face and leaving my skin damp, I apply the product and evenly distribute it with a generous amount of product, just like this. And then once I've evenly distributed it on my face, I like to do one more pump, and I put the rest of the product on my chest and neck because I want to get rid of the discoloration on my neck and chest. Now I'm setting the timer for 20 minutes. So you may feel like a little tingling right now, but that means the product is working. And it's really key to have damp skin because that's how the product activates the vitamin C. This peel smells amazing as well. It smells like a Medi spa. I feel like I'm at a spa. As I keep using this, in just 10 days, I'm gonna see amazing results. So it's been 20 minutes and I washed my face with lukewarm water, and I am just feeling so refreshed after that peel. I already see like a glow. It's looking really good. And as I continue to use this product, I'm gonna see even better results. My dark spots are going to start diminishing, which I'm super excited about.